Jacqueline and Vincent, the church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you on this beautiful summer day as together with your family and friends, in the presence of God her Father, you establish between yourselves a lifelong partnership. May the Lord hear you on this your joyful day. May He send His help from heaven and protect you. May He grant you your heart's desires and fulfill every one of your prayers.
Jackie and I have been inseparable since the 7th grade. We used to spend hours chatting on the phone. We would take countless photo shoots of each other and helped each other curate our very best AOL Instant Messenger profiles. I've watched as she's grown more confident and beautiful over the years. She's a woman of high standards, and Vince exceeds them.
Jackie is the middle of our 3 children. We have a very close family. She always was ready to help with their homework, to provide advice, and the boys were always ready to provide their opinion, particularly if there was a date involved. We never knew she was dating Vince until Jacqueline was ready to tell us. It was like 3-4 months down the line, and she had a significant boyfriend. But we met Vince, and you could just see that they were perfect for each other. I mean, you could just see it in their eyes, watch the mannerisms, see how they looked at each other, and you knew that was the person.
As the oldest of 4, Vince has paved the way for Margaret, Jane, and I. Vince has led by example, and he's always done so with a great sense of humor.
What impressed me most about him was his certainty about Jackie.
After spending more time with Jackie over the years, I know she is kind, smart, pretty, and patient. It is easy for all of us to see that Jackie and Vince are a great match for each other. We are very excited for you guys, and we can't wait to see the future life you build together. Let's raise a glass to Vince and Jackie. Congrats again, guys.
Heart I need and the kindness you've given me. You made me the man I am tonight. Let me grow with you. Let me bend and break. Let me be your shelter at the end of the day. Well, after all these years, no matter where we stand, you'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man. You're beautiful and strong as when we were young, and you make this house a home. Let me grow with you. Let me bend and break. Let me be your shelter at the end of the day. After all these years, no matter where we stand, you'll always be my woman. I'm proud to be your man.
Two of us, deep in the ocean, bubble love. We got our devotion. You pulled me in so fast, you caught my breath, and long gone winter waves are our own craves. Tell me I'm wrong, tell me I'm right, is something striking. Every time you set it out, my heart stops beating. Like 2 clouds in the sky, we colliding slowly, chest to chest. You are mine, only forever. Don't you try to hide